New 29 cubic meter double tipping tank truck with a steel chassis. It features a lightweight aluminum chassis that provides maximum. The tractor turns the difficult task of removing exceptional functionality and flexibility. Excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly. This video shows Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform ESS trailer used in a 2x4x8 beam configuration with beams. You can see how well the trailer behaves on the road and how its features can be used to improve your operation. And it's all thanks to ESS, an electronic steering system that will allow you to steer all axles at the same time. It is designed to provide the optimum axle steering angle according to the length or width of the trailer. The steering can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle on tight corners or on the ground. Imagine a vehicle that easily carries the wings of the future. Wind blades the length of a soccer field and weighing up to 35 tons. That's what Dahl offers with its pioneering trailers for the wind energy industry. Forget the fear of high center of gravity and torque. These trailers are stable and safe at any speed. Loading? Faster than you can drink a cup of coffee. Maneuverability? Like an acrobat. Able to perform maneuvers with incredible precision thanks to hydraulic steering and a wide steering angle. Dahl turns blade transport not into a chore, but into a masterclass of grace and engineering, showing that even the most monumental tasks can be accomplished with surprising ease and style. The safety, versatility, and durability of the Soil King Extreme is unmatched in the rock spreading industry, helping you get the job done safer and more efficiently than any other spreader on the market. Increase your productivity. The Extreme XTR25 has a 30 cubic yard capacity while carrying lighter materials. Utilizing Can American's patented metering beam, a single operator can precisely handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. How spectacularly the sea delicacies are harvested in the vast expanses of huge farms. And the best part is that soon these fresh delicacies will be on your table, ready for you to appreciate their unique flavor. Dreaming of a helper that can do the dishes better than anyone else? Here it is! A washing machine that will make you forget about boring cleaning. Ideal not only for the home, but also a real lifesaver for cafes and restaurants. And yet, without the effort and care of the worker, this process would not be possible. Human labor is invaluable here. Even in reverse mode, the snowblower is just as efficient, easily tackling accumulated snow. This is true versatility. Cutting steel bars with perfect precision is now a breeze, thanks to the right machine. This is the tool that turns a complex task into an easy operation. You know how unpleasant it is when a drawstring pops out of your pants? It often seems like an eternal task to put it back in place, but don't worry, I have a surprisingly easy way for you to solve this problem. Watching an agricultural machine at work in the field, you can't help but marvel at its speed and precision, and its power and capabilities leave no doubt that we are looking at a true professional in the field. In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. Something is about to happen that will make your heart freeze. A huge excavator, seemingly monumental and unshakable, instantly disappears into the magnitude of the Earth's trench. It's hard to resist admiration as you watch the creation of human hands collide with the might of nature. China's XCMG has launched an unmanned electric dump truck that can be both remotely controlled and given free rein, where it will operate in autonomous mode, under the control of artificial intelligence. In remote control mode, the dump truck uses a sensor to send information back to the operator using 5G technology. When switched to full autonomy, control of this vehicle will fall to the artificial intelligence technology, which will determine the destination and plan routes according to the mine's production vehicle. The vehicle's 500 kilowatt-hour battery, which traditionally can be recharged within 8 to 10 hours, will be replaced with another in just 6 minutes to ensure uninterrupted operation. The Narva E24 Energy Head is used in thinning, field clearing, road right-of-way maintenance, and parks in urban areas. This technique is suitable for harvesting energy wood with a diameter of 9.4 inches and also has a storage unit. Connects to a manipulator instead of a grapple. It can be used with tractors weighing 5 to 8 tons, excavators, forestry trailers, and sorting trucks. Among the features of the unit, it is worth mentioning the control without electricity, excellent load properties, fast guillotine cutting, easy installation, and no additional hydraulics. You're looking at high-tech, hybrid drive underground loaders with reliable, independent electric motors in each wheel. The Komatsu 22H and Model 18H left-hand drive hybrid loaders claim the lowest total operating expenses in their class. According to the manufacturer, the two machines offer a 20% increase in hauled volume over conventionally powered loaders. They also provide up to 20% reduction in fuel costs according to performance tests. This hybrid is designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. Iron Knight Volvo Trax has twice become the fastest tractor in the world. It broke the speed record in the 546 and 1,093 yard categories. It has been at the top for several years, and the record has not been broken until now. This record holder is special in every way. Everything except the I-Shift dual engine and the transmission is custom-made, not standard. The car makes 2,400 horsepower, 6,000 newton-meters of torque, and weighs 4.5 tons. The software has been reprogrammed for high performance. The cabin has an aerodynamically optimized shape and is made of fiberglass. Finally, there are large air intakes on the sidewalls to ensure good engine cooling. This tiny machine on the construction site is a living reminder that great things don't always require giants. It's a pleasure to watch it work, full of excitement and energy. The process of winding the ribbon into spools of certain sizes will definitely reduce your work time, because winding them by hand can be long and tedious. With remarkable precision and attention to detail, this machine performs its work daily, reminiscent of the activities of an experienced surgeon. Its capacity for precise and accurate manipulation makes it an indispensable tool in its field. What do you think of this technological marvel? It's like a maestro of an orchestra, controlling his instruments with incredible precision. Notice that every movement is like a masterclass for the pros, setting new standards in the world of masters. In the era of high technology, the process of preparing gourmet dishes in restaurants is taking on the characteristics of a real spectacle, thanks to the outstanding automation of production processes. It's wonderful to see how such a small device easily dominates rough wood to create a work of art. Its powerful hands transform the most unruly pieces of wood into perfectly round, perfectly smooth shapes. It's cool to realize that in the complex process of weaving, it is the machines that do most of the work, and the human role is minimal. This is not only a demonstration of technological progress, but also a step towards more efficient and less labor-intensive production. Dark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The Model T Sweeper is designed for smaller base machines such as property maintenance vehicles. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a good view of the area being swept. The low design of the Stark Model T Sweeper improves visibility in the sweeping area and increases operational safety. When sweeping, the machine moves on support wheels, which means the blades last a long time. The height of the movable main brush can be adjusted, and the speed of the brushes can be infinitely adjusted. You see an all-electric remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide-track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. The Bergman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Bergman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle, with floating suspension in the center section. Watching the guy operating his unique machine, you can't help but notice his satisfaction with his work. He clearly enjoys the process, realizing that he has made his task much easier thanks to the new technology. Consider metal cutting. Any worker, even with maximum effort and skill, would spend incomparably more time on this process than is required by a high-tech machine that demonstrates marvels of speed and precision. The professional rolling master turns any material into a dough, quickly extracting perfect layers of the desired thickness from under his rollers. Great, isn't it? If you try to do the same thing manually, it won't take much longer, I assure you. So you see a real find for those who appreciate speed and quality in cooking. For those who have never had the chance to dive into the world of manufacturing, it may come as a surprise how exciting and dynamic process flows can be outside the office walls. Wouldn't you agree? The Manitou Model MLTX 961 forklift has a lift height of 29.5 feet and a maximum lift capacity of 6 tons. With a 141 horsepower engine, an M-Vario Plus transmission, the machine offers even more comfort, productivity, and cost efficiency. For your comfort, the machine comes standard with an ultra-quiet new AG XL cab, easy access, automatic parking brake, cup holder, full storage compartments, and optional adaptive air suspension. This forklift is equipped with an air pre-filter and an auto-reserve fan. These features are perfectly adapted to dusty environments. The 200 liter per minute pump and optional intelligent hydraulics package meet customer needs in terms of performance in agriculture and agro-industry. Over the past decade, automation has become a crucial factor in smart agriculture. Using advanced technologies such as smart sensing, machine learning, and robotics, agricultural processes can be optimized in a multitude of innovative ways. With a true mission to make farming easier and increase productivity, TerraClear has developed a comprehensive automation system that focuses specifically on automating stone removal. Using a computer vision system to map the terrain and determine the size and location of stone stuck in the soil, the hard work is done by automated equipment, saving farmers a lot of time and money. Anyway, you can see for yourself how cool it works. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine, and the 2614D modification D-scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So, this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. An exciting new video, The Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle can traverse any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion BJ Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, easily tackling the most impassable of obstacles. The car was built on the platform of the British Reconnaissance Armored Car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The auto has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on original design wheels. 2 of them are driven by internally controlled hydraulic motors. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and obstacles with ease. It also features a powerful Chevrolet LS engine in the rear of the vehicle. Meet the Rototilt R3, the master of manipulation for excavators weighing between 6 and 12 tons. With a breakout torque of 85 kN, this unit is rewriting the rules of the game for the most compact machines. Whether it's construction or cleaning railroad tracks with a special mounted rotating brush, the R3's integrated slewing mechanism promises unmatched precision and performance, supported by 250 bar hydraulics. With its central lubrication system and load-holding valves, every task becomes easier. The S8 all-road technology is based on the latest S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. You are about to see how Maxwell specialists, together with their construction equipment, demolished a dilapidated bridge on the A7 highway over the River Iller in Germany. The bridge, 197 feet long and 62 feet wide, was stressed across and along with extra strong pre-stressed steel. The team utilized 9 excavators at once with various attachments including a shredder, demolition, and scrap shears, a sorting grapple, and a hydraulic chisel. Also utilized were 2 Max Wild wheel loaders, a telehandler, a sweeper, and various trucks. Cliff model ML1612R is a unique machine, the only forklift with a lifting capacity of 16 to 18 tons that can easily drive into a standard container and moves quickly in confined spaces such as warehouses and marine vessels. MechLift's various attachments expand the possibilities of using a single machine for different purposes. It can stack 20-foot containers in 3 tiers. The hydraulically raised cab provides excellent visibility for the operator, even when handling large loads. With this forklift, you have more space and better visibility, which has a positive effect on the safety of the load itself. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, but it looks no less impressive. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, 2 new Arox trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the 2 impressive Arox with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation: the non-wearable turbo retarder clock, reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit into any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the twin-wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. You are looking at a 3-axle, low-loader tractor equipped with a large cargo crane that can work 360 degrees thanks to its X-shaped stabilizer design. The truck crane is the only one in the Autotris 40 Giolo fleet that has a special X shape. It can lift 28 tons close to the vehicle and 2,535 pounds at 118 feet. Such machinery is used for loading and unloading. For example, steel beams, concrete pipes, and various construction equipment. The Holaris FOD turns the task of keeping airports clean into a process of high precision and efficiency. With a sweeping width of 23 feet and with 3 interconnecting units, this machine easily attaches to different tractors, allowing one operator to operate it with surprising ease. Forget about lengthy maintenance. The Holaris FOD minimizes the cost and time required to keep it up and running. Its ability to efficiently clear FODs of various sizes and materials ensures the safety of every takeoff and landing. So with a spacious 400-liter collection box and environmentally friendly operation, the machine becomes the ideal solution for keeping airport areas spotless, eliminating the risk of SPT and ensuring every aircraft flies in peace. The West Bundle Sage is a special firewood saw, and here's how it works. If an area is filled with wood, a so-called clamp is used to hold the logs in place. A tractor with 70 horsepower or more can be used to bring the filled firewood saw to where it ultimately needs to be cut. At the push of a button, the saw, whose teeth are only 0.04 inches thick, starts up and chews through the wood from bottom to top, which is automatically cut to the desired length. The ejector transports the remaining wood in the box to a stack of previously sawn logs. The firewood saw takes about 4 minutes to cut 1 metric piece of wood into 13-inch pieces. Pocket Bucket is a remote-controlled track mini-loader equipped with a bucket for working in hazardous areas, in mining sites for example. The bucket's lightweight and retractable design allows the machine to be easily transported in a van or on a trailer. The pocket bucket embodies a specialized machine with a running gear that is made of high-strength materials with an anti-corrosion coating. The Smart Battery System, SPS, is an integrated sealed compartment that houses the charger for the remote control. The spare battery is charged automatically while the machine is running. Simple and intuitive operation with a single joystick ensures that you always have one hand free to control other machine movements. We see a continuous drum-type harvester from Komatsu with a double-picking head system that is ideal for industrial mining of large quantities of minerals. With a machine weight of 340,000 pounds and a maximum cutting height of 20 feet, this model has everything you need to maximize productivity in heavy-duty applications. The machine features a heavy-duty track chain and drive system for efficient operation. The combine's traction system includes the patented OptiDrive electronic AC system, which combines with a compact four-wheel drive transmission to provide smooth and reliable operation. Sandvik introduces the next generation of Ranger DXi series drilling machines for a wide range of hole sizes from 3 to 5.5 inches. Now you have a new fully optimized drilling system based on the expanded and powerful RT900 family of drills and complemented by all new unique CT55 and CT67 curved threaded tools. In addition, the user gets unrivaled coverage, advanced automation, and connectivity options. The Pilkmaster Evo wood chipper can be modified with additional equipment to the exact machine you need. The Pilkmaster Evo 36HC Lite is designed for efficient and easy operation. This makes it an excellent machine for collective use, for example. The body of the machine is designed to adjust to the size the user requires, ensuring ergonomics. The quiet chainsaw with an automatic lubrication system cuts wood efficiently. Thanks to the open box device, debris and waste wood is poured out of the mechanism. The option of hydraulic height adjustment of the splitting blade, which comes standard, ensures efficient and pleasant operation. The splitting power and speed of the Pilkmaster Evo 36 wood splitter are automatically adjusted according to the size and strength of the timber. XCMG excavators are machines with outstanding technical characteristics, which have proved themselves perfectly in the process of construction, excavation, and repair of communications. Interestingly, for maneuvering, the technique does not require a large open space, and it works with virtually any soil. Efficient, powerful engine of relatively small volume fully complies with Euro 2. To eliminate the possibility of damage or suspension of work due to frost, an automatic engine heating system is provided. Their innovative dual pump system in the hydraulics ensures stable spreader value operation and high flow rates. As a consequence, increased boom and bucket performance and productivity. Rational power distribution, low fuel consumption, and low noise level make XCMG excavators a very attractive purchase according to potential customers. KGHM Zanum has completed another export delivery of a powerful loader, LKP 0703. The machine was ordered by a contractor from Germany and is designed to meet all its needs. Firstly, the loader is equipped with a remote control system, which allows performance tasks even in the most difficult conditions of modern mines. It is also the first remote-controlled machine delivered to a mine and is operating in the demanding and limited German market. Creating perfect parts seems like a mystery, only until a powerful technological titan enters the scene. With its help, the manufacturing process becomes an art form, where every action is precise and efficient. The A-frame, created by Elphinstone, is a low-maintenance trailer with less dead weight. It has no slots or pull pins, but pole repositioning can be easily adjusted. Elphinstone's unique design allows the vehicle to not only slide, but also pivot, which reduces stress on the A-frame, pull front, and pull hitch. The folding rear mudguards have replaceable nylon bushings, and the hinges, stretchable mudguards, and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making cleanup easier and reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit into any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the twin-wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. IC is the new autonomous tractor from AutoAgra. The autonomous tractor, or agricultural robot, can operate day and night, saving fuel and reducing operating expenses. Agreed, this is cool news. It also seems that the company's goal was to maximize efficiency to reduce the use of seed, fertilizer, and pesticides when operations are performed with precision in the best weather conditions. Italian manufacturer Baron has delivered its first AB-23 SL bridge inspection rig to Hong Kong for use on the Lantau Link bridges. You can see now a whole series of bridges, 2.17 miles long, connecting Hong Kong International Airport to the city. The AB-23 SL machine is capable of maneuvering the suspended spans of the bridge. In addition, the machinery is mounted on a 4-axle Volvo FM420 8x4 truck chassis. The upper structure contains a bucket-type truck tower, which can work both under the bridge and overhead. The platform is capable of hauling loads up to 551 pounds. It has a horizontal reach under the bridge of 12 feet and an overhead reach of 87 feet. With just one precise movement, this majestic machine works wonders to create metal parts of impeccable quality. Every product that comes out of its hands is a masterpiece, ready to be used in a wide variety of applications. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. The magical union of the human mind and the machine creates the impossible, turning any task into child's play. Together they blur all boundaries, easily conquering new heights. Creating perfect parts seems like a mystery, only until a powerful technological titan enters the scene. With its help, the manufacturing process becomes an art form, where every action is precise and efficient. Wow! Watch as this device spins and instantly wraps pipes into a package. It's a real-time and energy saver with anyone who has ever tried to pack a pipe themselves. Small, but mighty. That perfectly describes this unusual crawler friend. Don't doubt, friends. Not only small vegetation, but also small trees will be flattened by its relentless pressure. Just watch as the corner of the piece is cut with unbelievable skill, transforming it into a perfect product that is exactly as specified. Interesting. Under the power of such a powerful machine, wood is turned into splinters in a matter of moments. The incredible power of the equipment leaves no chance for wood to resist, demonstrating its efficiency and speed in operation. In the hands of a good craftsman, even the most soulless machine comes to life, putting holes in metal sheets as if working with butter. I can imagine how long it would take him to do it all by hand. With this mechanized helper in your arsenal, soil preparation and seed sowing move to a new level of simplicity and efficiency. It is capable of plowing and sowing at the same time, significantly reducing labor costs and accelerating the process of working on the land. The key to successful work is not only in-depth knowledge and skills, but also the use of advanced technology. When these two components are combined, high-level performance is not only possible, but also guaranteed. This miracle machine masterfully manages the task of perfect material distribution, easing the work of the craftsman to unbelievable limits. Do you want to see how far progress in metalworking has come? Then just watch how metal rods are gathered in just a few moments to form an object. Craftsmanship and speed are at work here. Don't judge capabilities by size. This little machine is a true craftsman. It can create a panel so magnificent that every pattern and line deserves to be scrutinized. Her creations are definitely eye-catching. Take a closer look at the workflow of this unique machine, and you'll discover the source of its creative power to create beautiful panels. And it's great to watch it bring each of its works to life. No matter what you say, but with such a machine in your arsenal, you'll know exactly how to transform and enhance your own work, doing it quickly and flawlessly. What could be better than being able to automate processes, especially when you have massive volumes of products on hand that need to be cleaned? Let me tell you one thing, thanks to advances in technology, we can reduce hours of labor to literally minutes. With such advanced rotating units and a creative approach to the process, there can be no doubt about the quality of the real assembly. These mechanisms are capable of marvels of precision and efficiency, delivering perfect perfection in every product. A little human involvement can work wonders in the pressing process with a mechanized machine. The perfect combination of human control and machine power ensures that everything is done perfectly. In the world of metalworking, there are monsters with metal teeth that can work wonders. They transform raw materials into critical parts with impeccable precision. This giant of a tool, equipped with powerful teeth, can easily carry massive volumes of wood. No longer just a helper, but a real hero loader, ready to safely deliver your goods wherever you need them. Forget about overflowing bins thanks to the PackMat compactor. One pass and the raw material is already converted into compact material, making room for new material. And what's even better, PackMat also offers a solution to easily transport these bins, making the waste management process as efficient as possible. The Machira's air core is revolutionizing the way we think about firefighting, working effectively on large surfaces and with liquid fires. The machine quickly reduces heat and improves visibility, ensuring safety and simplifying the firefighting process. Meet the machine that literally breaks the laws of physics with its power and versatility. Reverse through muddy areas and carry massive loads that seem too heavy for others with incredible ease. This machine is a true master of its craft, capable of handling any task with ease. In a matter of seconds, the tree is on the ground, cut so cleanly that you can't even tell if there was a stump. All thanks to professional technology, which makes the cutting process so precise that the ground is left without a single trace. Chop something fast? For the cool giant slicer, it's a no-brainer. Now, thanks to it, high-speed slicing is commonplace, making every task easier and faster. Friends, just forget about the slow and tedious planting of plants. Now there is a machine that takes care of all the work, ensuring fast planting with perfectly even rows. With it, your field will look flawless without any extra effort. Create the perfect metal mesh quickly? Easy, if you have a mechanized pro assistant at hand. With such a partner, even the most complex tasks become easy, and all in a matter of moments. The process of spinning a part on a machine has a strange magic that can instantly capture your attention. Don't be surprised if you find yourself breathlessly watching every movement of the machine until it completes its work. And here you can take a closer look at how the whole process of pavement removal takes place. Maybe you haven't thought about how the very key parts are created, without which the construction process comes to a standstill, but believe me, seeing them produced with your own eyes is something absolutely fascinating. Even unyielding metal will yield when you are armed with the right equipment. Creating the perfect notch becomes an easy and enjoyable task, showing that with the right tool, nothing is impossible. Ready to see things from a different angle? And be prepared. Sometimes a change of perspective only enhances perception. I bet you can't imagine what wonders are unfolding on the screen now. And what you are about to see will exceed all expectations. You may not have given much thought to the process of making records, but it's surprisingly easy when you have the right machines. With their help, a process that seems like magic becomes a reality. Whew, and what can I say here? Even with the increased amount of product, the press creates perfectly formed meats with ease. It's a true miracle of efficiency in your kitchen. In just a few moments, the spinning machine passes through metal as if it were made of oil, rather than one of the strongest materials on Earth. Instantly, the machine becomes a powerful tool, dividing the ground with the precision of a surgical scalpel. It is a pleasure to watch it work because it makes the whole process surprisingly simple and efficient. With steady efficiency and speed, this machine does its job, cutting down trees one by one. Without any pity, but with precision, it fulfills its purpose. See how this young man is working on his lawn? He clearly enjoys it immensely. Not only is it good for the lawn, but it brings him great joy. A true example of how a favorite activity can be doubly beneficial. It is impressive to witness the process by which rigid metal becomes flexible and obedient in the hands of a professional machine. It's almost like magic. Complex shapes and curves emerge from an unyielding material with a special ease. Clearing snow may seem like a gigantic challenge, but not for specialized machinery. Even the largest snow drifts can be cleared without difficulty. You are looking at a machine that does something magical. As it works the soil, it seems to paint on it, turning the work in the ground into a real art. Its movement across the field is like a dance, where every turn becomes a part of a larger canvas. Thanks to high productivity and perfect synchronization of the mechanisms, the machine produces protective metal weaving of incredible complexity. The result is a powerful combination of reliability and efficiency that demonstrates the cool capabilities of modern technology. Before you start, remember to protect your eyes with special goggles. Are you ready? Now, all eyes on the screen. When two field cultivating machines work in unison, it is more than just an agronomic operation. They literally inspire the land, creating optimum conditions for its future. The Brock 500 offers high production capacity as well as mobility and versatility. Like all Brock models, it offers unrivaled capacity for its size and weight. With a reach of nearly 23.1 feet and a 360-degree turning radius, the Brock 500 provides excellent access to the work area without the need for labor-intensive moving. Ideal for the toughest jobs, such as quick and accurate removal of heavily reinforced concrete vaults and foundations. With a reinforced design and additional refinement over the Brock 400, while maintaining approximately the same size and weight, it sets a new standard for power-to-size ratio in its segment. OMEPS has introduced its new 29 cubic meter double-tipping tank truck with a steel chassis. It features a lightweight aluminum chassis that provides maximum payload for each load. The tanks also feature double-sided aisles, folding handrails, and quick-loading hatches with only 4 cam levers. Ring welds are ground inside the tank to allow free flow of product to the discharge cone when tipping. A pneumatic vibrator is installed at the rear of the bottom of the tank to facilitate cleaning of the product at the end of loading. The discharge cones are made of polished stainless steel, hinged and bolted for accessing and cleaning the inside of the tank. They are equipped with 5 Solimer aerators that create an effective aeration zone to liquefy the base material before discharge. The complex system of the entire large mechanism creates a perfectly compressed raw material that is instantly ready for use. The efficiency and thoughtfulness of the process is astonishing. Under the magical influence of the machine, an object originally decorated with ribs in the hands of a magician master acquires incredible smoothness. This metamorphosis from roughness to perfection is simply mesmerizing. It's wonderful how modern machines can marvel at their power and speed of task completion. Efficient? Definitely, yes. A modern machine with a cutter is a real artist in the world of car discs, which gives them a state of absolute perfection. For car lovers, this is a dream come true because what could be more important than perfection in every detail of their iron horse? In everyday life, we are used to surrounding ourselves with functional and beautiful tableware without thinking about the outstanding stages of its creation. Behind each elegant object is a unique production process that combines art, technology, and craftsmanship. When it comes to cutting sheet metal, a specialized machine comes to the fore, demonstrating its superiority over manual work. Its precision and speed deserve not just approval, but also the highest rating, a solid A+. Allow me to introduce you to a machine that is not just a machine, but a whole orchestra of mechanisms playing in unison for the sole purpose of achieving perfection. Its appearance, it is the epitome of performance and power, a real visual treat. Street food is experiencing a real revolution thanks to the introduction of multifunctional machines that have the potential to replace an entire team of cooks. With these machines, the food preparation process takes on a new dimension. Now you have the opportunity to witness something magical, a process in which a laser transforms simple materials into exquisite works of art with amazing precision and ease. Just look and enjoy. Meet a major league player in the world of metalworking, a powerful press that makes sharp, smooth cuts like magic. This helper not only saves you time and effort, but also takes your projects to the next level. Watching the transformation of a rough material into a refined creation is a pleasure for the soul. Each stage of this transformation is a testament to the wonders of modern machine craftsmanship, transforming the ordinary into a timeless symbol of aesthetics and grace. Based on the special needs of people involved in beekeeping, the Hungarian company Gevex introduced its new hive crane called MMD-120 a few years ago. This productive machine has a special sail system, thanks to which it can be mounted directly on a vehicle. Such a machine quite satisfies the need of operators that the horizontal movement of the crane boom system, crane leveling, can be realized automatically in a short time instead of relatively slow mechanical adjustment. The Twinka ES500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. Be on the lookout for something incredible to see. Creating a metal thread weave is a process that will undoubtedly leave you enthralled. The play of light on the intertwined metallic threads creates an effect that is impossible to take your eyes off. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. Huge technologically advanced machines handle the glowing materials as easily as if they were toys in their hands. This approach to production really demonstrates the power of modern technology. When it comes to cutting metal sheets with perfect precision, a powerful machine becomes an indispensable assistant. Thanks to its impressive capabilities, you can be assured of smooth and clean edges without unnecessary effort. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. The tractor turns the difficult task of removing old road surfaces into an easy exercise. With its help, the process is not only quick, but also marvelously efficient, as if the machine embodies the art of building new paths. 3 high-performance monsters have taken on the task of taking care of the roads during heavy snowdrifts, and it's a pleasure to watch them work. With their incredible power and coordinated action, winter roads will be safe. Here it is again, red-hot metal, which in the skillful hands of a master craftsman becomes a perfect piece. This process not ever ceases to amaze, demonstrating how perfection is born from fiery raw materials. Create a perfectly shaped metal product with smooth outlines and precise dimensions? No question at all. Having an arsenal of mechanized assistant, working as accurately and efficiently as possible. With the Toro self-propelled aerator, you can easily provide your soccer field with perfect aeration. The machine effectively pierces holes in the turf, improving the air and water exchange of the root system. I must admit, this device is a real breakthrough, friends. It significantly accelerates the construction process, saving time and effort for many craftsmen. An incredible find for any construction site. With the arrival of the construction 3D printer, the tasks for the rest of the workforce have become much easier. Notice the precision and perfect lines it generates. The results are truly impressive. Watching the actions of such a powerful technique, you can't help but catch yourself thinking, magic exists. Its ability to transform complex tasks into a real art makes your heart beat faster, and it is impossible to take your eyes off what is happening. The machine functions like clockwork, where every part and every process is set with remarkable precision and synchronization. There's no room for chance at all. All elements of the system work together smoothly and efficiently. Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. In a world where every drop of fuel is worth its weight in gold, Rex stands as the champion of efficiency and flexibility in the mining industry. Don't be afraid of narrow lanes or steep climbs, because with a 15.7-foot turning radius and width, and the ability to negotiate gradients of up to 12%, the Rex will get your load where it needs to go with ease. Best of all, it does so economically, traveling up to 24.8 miles with a full load and reducing fuel consumption by 20 to 30%. Its 5-axle, 20-wheel design is not only unique, but can haul up to 160 tons of cargo at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, making the Rex a true truck marathoner. The VDM is a high-performance CIED route clearance vehicle that combines maximum survivability with excellent off-road performance and a tremendous level of flexibility. The VDM is versatile and can be customized to defend against a wide range of threats in operating environments. The vehicle has a false target package on a push-pull boom trap to activate IEDs in front of the vehicle on 12.8-foot wide tracks. There is also an underbody metal detector to detect buried EIDs on 10-foot wide tracks. The VDM also offers high growth potential to combat rapidly evolving threats in theater. How can you clean large tunnels? Very simply with the TWG Model 600K flexible cleaning system. The long boom reach and attachments equipped with modern sensor technology, such as the high-pressure washing boom and tunnel cleaning brush, ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Assembly and disassembly is quick and easy thanks to the container-type twist locks. No additional equipment is required, as the unit has its own support legs. The processes are monitored from the integrated operator's cabin, who is permanently connected to the driver via voice radio. 750 SOC trencher can cut a trench 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep. The sliding trencher moves 16 inches to the left from the center. It makes it easy to dig clean, straight ditch walls for efficient utility installation. The height can also be adjusted for easy transportation. The attachable conveyor unloader is capable of handling dump trucks weighing up to 10 tons. This allows operators to work in tight urban areas by feeding soil directly into the dump truck. Workstation all attachment controls are manually rotated 90 degrees. The swivel workstation is designed to optimize the view of the rear attachment and maximize operator comfort. The PA19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. Extreme Z is characterized by a pivot joint articulating the first arm, which significantly increases the positioning capabilities of the arm and therefore the mower head, allowing you to easily handle critical operating conditions. The Extreme Z makes it easier to work on narrow roads without cluttering the roadway, as well as mow terrain, being able to stay close to the edge of the road and maximize the boom length. In the closed position, the machine remains more compact, making it easier to move and maneuver on the road. Guttering is an item without which it is hard to imagine any home, but when it comes to making it, not many people can visualize the process. The procedure is quite educational, that's for sure. It's also incredibly entertaining. You are looking at a multi-one screening bucket for topsoil, waste, turf, roots, and compost, with a large screening area that delivers fantastic performance. Screening buckets are used for the initial screening, sorting, and separation of natural materials, both before and after the crushing stage. This sieving bucket is a multifunctional tool ideal for separating materials such as topsoil, demolition and construction waste, lawn, roots, and compost. The Equipter Tow A Lift is an elevator that can be used in a wide variety of residential and commercial applications, and can work on many types of terrain while being easily towed by a dump truck. The ability to tow this towable elevator behind a standard pickup truck eliminates the need for a trailer or specialized truck for a truck-mounted forklift. The Tow A Lift remote control system provides 360 degrees visibility during operation, increasing safety and providing visibility of potential obstacles in rough terrain. The intuitive and user-friendly operation of the Tow A Lift can be quickly mastered by virtually any user. Create the perfect metal mesh quickly? Easy, if you have a mechanized pro assistant at hand. With such a partner, even the most complex tasks become easy, and all in a matter of moments. The Vermeer VS350 single auger vertical mixer is the ideal machine for smaller operations. This model has a high-speed auger that optimizes mixing speed and provides thorough cleaning. Vermeer mixers feature a 4-point scale that helps improve accuracy over a 3-point scale. The scales help operators optimize rations and achieve more defined goals when feeding multiple pens. The scale also features Bluetooth connectivity, so operators can see the weight from their smart device. Featuring a 1/4-inch thick tub and a 1/2-inch thick floor, this mixer is small but powerful. Its sturdy components contribute to the machine's long-lasting performance and reliability. With the magic device, every cleaning turns into an exciting adventure, where you are the protagonist fighting against malignant pollutants. And remember, cleanliness always wins, and your efforts will always succeed with the right technique. Cutting steel bars with perfect precision is now a breeze, thanks to the right machine. This is the tool that turns a complex task into an easy operation. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. Chop something fast? For the cool giant slicer, it's a no-brainer. Now, thanks to it, high-speed slicing is commonplace, making every task easier and faster. Friends, just forget about the slow and tedious planting of plants. Now there is a machine that takes care of all the work, ensuring fast planting with perfectly even rows. With it, your field will look flawless without any extra effort. Create the perfect metal mesh quickly? Easy, if you have a mechanized pro assistant at hand. With such a partner, even the most complex tasks become easy, and all in a matter of moments. The process of spinning a part on a machine has a strange magic that can instantly capture your attention. Don't be surprised if you find yourself breathlessly watching every movement of the machine until it completes its work. And here you can take a closer look at how the whole process of pavement removal takes place. Maybe you haven't thought about how the very key parts are created, without which the construction process comes to a standstill, but believe me, seeing them produced with your own eyes is something absolutely fascinating. Even unyielding metal will yield when you are armed with the right equipment. Creating the perfect notch becomes an easy and enjoyable task, showing that with the right tool, nothing is impossible. Ready to see things from a different angle? And be prepared. Sometimes a change of perspective only enhances perception. I bet you can't imagine what wonders are unfolding on the screen now. And what you are about to see will exceed all expectations. You may not have given much thought to the process of making records, but it's surprisingly easy when you have the right machines. With their help, a process that seems like magic becomes a reality. Whew, and what can I say here? Even with the increased amount of product, the press creates perfectly formed meats with ease. It's a true miracle of efficiency in your kitchen. The speed of change is remarkable, instantly. The pattern on the product gains additional depth and creativity. What seems simple and straightforward becomes complex. That's cool! This is how the steel chain gets its final shape. The process is seemingly mundane, but delve into it, and you will discover the marvelous art of metalworking. Why bother with an axe when there is a rotating miracle machine that turns wood into perfect logs in seconds? This tool not only saves time and effort, but also guarantees perfect results. Pockets with unusual stitching on pants or jeans are always on trend and add creativity to any look. But have you ever wondered how they appear on your clothes? It turns out there is an ingenious way to quickly and easily collect all the balls from the field. This method is highly efficient and can make preparing the field for the next game much easier. If you think Big Rock is the pinnacle of durability, then there are machines that are ready to disprove that opinion. They can show what they can do, turning the seemingly impenetrable into an easy task. Get ready! The special machine is about to make it very cool and very hot. A sight you will definitely remember for a long time. You see, the craftsmen are hard at work, but their most reliable allies in this endeavor are powerful industrial machines. Technological giants easily take on the challenge, helping craftsmen to achieve impressive results. Want a wow effect? Then watch how heating metal to high temperatures and using specialized equipment creates perfectly shaped parts. Under the guidance of a team of master craftsmen, a hand roller transforms a path into a masterpiece, forming a flawless walkway with a neat curve. Combined efforts and precision in every movement creates the true art of asphalting. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. Look how easily and quickly the machine you see prepares the conifer tree for transportation. So, you don't have to worry about the tree getting hurt in transit after digging it up. This is a perfect example of how the right equipment makes complex tasks simple. A special machine with tongs does the impossible, converting an entire bus into scrap metal in a matter of minutes. Efficiently and effortless, it reduces the volume of bulky waste, preparing it for recycling. One thing I can say is that watching red-hot metal take unusual shapes in just a few seconds is incredible. Such a moment makes your eyes burst with wonder. Forget about the old way of transplanting trees. Now, special caterpillar machinery is on the scene, turning this process into a real art form. Under its watchful eye, the tree is not just transplanted, it begins a new chapter of its life in a new place. Watching the process of making perfect metal molds is fascinating. Do you agree with me? That's not enough? Then look no further. Here it is, another example of such work. Developing the perfect railroads is not an easy task, requiring not only knowledge but also a suitable arsenal of equipment. Fortunately, human genius has already found the perfect solution for its ambitious projects. A modern machine with a cutter is a real artist in the world of car discs, which gives them a state of absolute perfection. For car lovers, this is a dream come true because what could be more important than perfection in every detail of their iron horse? The Helioder Compact Disc Harrow from Lemken is ideal for cultivating bare stubble or incorporation of surface residues from previous crops on light to medium soil types. When preparing the seedbed after plowing or in mulch sowing, the technique ensures an evenly loosened and level seedbed. In combination with the solitaire pneumatic seeder from Lemken, you can get a fast and efficient combination for soil tillage. These features make the Helioder a true all-rounder, saving users valuable time and money. Irken World Power has earned its place among the world's leading manufacturers of telescopic and slewing cranes during its 35 years of existence. And their new ER 122.000L4 series wrecker, the ER 122.000, has already proved its own effectiveness by redefining standards in this sector. The boom slewing mechanism is equipped with 4 winches with a pulling force of 40 tons each. The load can be rotated during the lift by means of these winches. A powerful lifting system provides a good view of the working area at night. This wrecker can be used as a slewing crane with a lifting capacity of 122 tons, which is a huge advantage compared to other models of similar equipment. Long reach, low weight, short support spacing, and ease of operation. The S47 SX3 from Schwing offers everything from maximum efficiency and safety in concrete paving. The 5-part mast, the intuitive roller folding, and the exceptionally large and fully usable opening angles of the mast elements give the machine a high level of mobility in a wide range of applications. Thanks to the low curb weight, just over 31 tons, and the COC documentation supplied from the factory, this machine can be quickly and legally registered in all European countries. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick making machine from SNPC Machines India. The new BMM 410 is a mobile, portable machine that gives the freedom to produce clay or mud bricks anytime, anywhere, and in any quantity. The raw material required for the BMM 410 mobile brick making machine is clay, mud, or a mixture of clay and fly ash. Meet the Hexatram. Yes, the same truck that can pull 6 trailers at a time between farms, loading heavy timber. Just imagine, the Volvo FMX can haul up to 200 tons in a single trip, which is truly impressive. And if we say that the truck was designed to handle heavy-duty applications, we're not fooled. It is also equipped with a 12-speed I-shift transmission and 2 additional super low gears. For such an iron monster, picked up the D13 engine, with a capacity of 540 horses, which retains power and at the same time provides the best ratio of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. The NS Series Crawler Scissor Elevator is lightweight and equipped with rubber tracks for smooth, fast, and safe travel in difficult road conditions. The machine runs on standard AC mains power, has 0 emissions, and is environmentally friendly. The steel crawler design is particularly strong in adapting to the environment. It can be used in the field even without a power supply. The hydraulic lifting platform utilizes a weighted chassis and does not require supporting legs when working. The equipment can walk even when the platform is raised, which greatly improves work efficiency. JCB telescopic loaders of Agri-Low-Doll model are characterized by high maneuverability, compact wheelbase, large angles of rotation limitation, which saves time on the farm, especially when working in limited conditions. The engine power of such a machine is 100 horsepower, and the engine displacement is 4.4 liters, with a torque of 320 newton meters. The hydraulic pump capacity is 140 liters, the fuel tank capacity is 146 liters, and its maximum lifting capacity reaches 3.5 tons. With this loader on hand, you'll accomplish any task in no time at all. Dry suction excavators. These trucks can handle any material that needs to be moved. Eliminating costly and heavy loads, a suction excavator uses air to loosen materials, and a staggering 24,000 cubic feet per minute to remove it. A rubber digging tube ensures safe digging, and all these features combined with the side discharge system allows for on-site unloading, allowing this powerful dump truck to work on-site all day long. You can now watch a cool spectacle which is given out by another cool car from our today's selection. Only an important detail, it is better to keep a little distance from the process, and even better, wear safety glasses. After all, you should never forget about safety. The 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch with a pulling force of 8.5 tons is easy to use thanks to the unwinding device and the auto stop and smart 3-in-1 functions. Operation is via remote control. The folding window grille makes transportation easy. The recognizable winch design with sturdy construction and compact backstrap protects against wear and tear and makes operation easier. The 85H model, on the other hand, does not have an unwinding device. This striking-looking 350 horsepower self-driving truck combines a 30-ton dump truck and a trailer with an extended chassis. In addition to the monster under the hood, the Larrington Chaser has 8 750 50 by 30.5 wheels and a tread pattern that quickly clears mud from the tires. The company's goal was to keep the weight of the truck as low as possible while maintaining strength and improving smoothness. Therefore, the chassis was redesigned with air suspension axles, and a third steer axle was added to the rear of the trailer. A 20-ton ejector housing was added, which allows the trailer to pivot at the front and unload the load into a truck or trailer parked on the road or headland. With its stable and robust splitter twin wave screening platform, the Track Splitter X2 is an expert for heavy, sticky, and partially uncrushed materials, stones, clay, contaminated landfill soil. Thanks to the trough-shaped design and the tilt angle adjustment, the material stays on the screen deck longer, is cleaned of sticky impurities, and reliably separated into 2 fractions. In addition to producing the finished product, the Splitter X2 is also ideally suited for preparing the material for subsequent processes. Like all the company's machines, the Splitter X2 is characterized by a wide range of adjustment options, as well as clog-free and rewind-free operation. Now you can watch on your screens how the DZR Wide from the Japanese company Nipla works. In fact, in front of you is a unique agricultural machine that is being used to create a dam on a hilly rice field. Everything to further build an embankment in Japan. Some processes and ideas can look so cool that you just don't want to take your eyes off of them. You must agree that video has a kind of relaxing effect.